Hello friends, this is Uma and welcome to the Turmeric Club. Today we will be making mango coconut fudge. Once you make this recipe, you will be so proud of yourself. This is an amazing recipe which is very yummy. So let's collect all the ingredients that we need to make this. And for this we need 1 cup of desiccated coconut, 1 cup of mango pulp, half a cup of sugar, 1 cup of milk powder, 2 tablespoons of desi ghee or butter. We will also need some extra coconut and half a cup of milk. So let's start making it. So in a pan I'm going to take 2 tablespoons of desi ghee or unsalted butter, and once it melts we are going to add the milk. To this we are going to add the milk powder, next goes the desiccated coconut, sugar, and the kesari mango pulp. This is easily available at any Indian grocery store. Now we are going to mix everything really well, and we have to cook it on medium-high heat. So we have to continuously stir it. The whole mixture comes together in 3 to 4 minutes. So we have to keep on cooking it till everything comes as a lump together and it leaves the pan. So it will keep on sliding on the pan. So we are looking for that consistency. It won't take long. See, it has come together now. And slowly it is going to leave the pan. So you will know when it is done. When you just move it, then the whole thing will move together and it will slide down easily. So once it starts sliding, we are going to remove it. And now we want it to cool down a little bit. Once it cools down a little bit, I'm going to use a chocolate mold. So I'm using a silicone mold today, and I'm going to oil it a little bit because I'm using it for the first time. It won't stick anything, but still I'm taking an extra precautionary step. So just oiling it a little bit, and I'm going to make very tiny flower fudge shapes here. And I'm going to make 2-3 different kinds of shapes. So you can make platter of different kinds, or just let your creativity go wild and make whatever you feel like, okay? So be as creative as you can. So this, I made some gold laddus, and I'm using the cookie cutter. So with the cookie design, I'm going to make some floral designs also, and some I'm just going to roll them in the desiccated coconut. So you can keep them in the refrigerator for a week and they will not go bad, and they are just yum. These are gluten free. So they come out really easily. Look at the platter. Look at the platter. These are out of this world. Try it and you will be so proud of yourself. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. I will be back with a lot of new recipes very soon. Love you all. Take care.